Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rizman Laili. My student's number is 20212238. In this video, I'd like to explain about how to processing data in Microsoft Excel. Okay, here I have a single unsorted dataset. So I will sort first the data from the smallest to the highest before I do processing the data. After the data has been sorted from smallest to the highest, then we return it to the original position to make it easier for us later when we creating a frequency data. I'm so sorry, frequency table I mean. Okay, go to the next step. To process the data is to create a frequency table to make it easier for us to find the mean, mode, median, and other else. Then, after creating a frequency table, we enter the data into the table in order from smallest to the highest data. And then next, we input the frequency of each of these data. Next, we multiply the value of x by the frequency by using the syntax star for multiplied. To easy find other result, we can also drag the end of the column down to get the result x value multiply the frequency. And then we can also drag from left to right to get the sum to find the mean later. So next, to get that value, we have to find the mean first. So what is mean actually? The mean is the average of the most common value in a collection of numbers. The mean or average is calculated by adding up the scores and dividing the total by the numbers of scores. Finally, we get the mean value, which is 78.2. Then, after we get the mean, we can calculate the value of x minus the mean. And at this moment in the formula step, we must use the dollar symbol in the mean column so that it doesn't move when the formula is copied and dragged down. So after we drag down, we can see on the formula tab the mean column doesn't move because it uses a dollar sign, while column X doesn't use a dollar sign, so that the column moves through. value to the power of 2 by raising the x minus min value using symbol like in the video. Then we drag down to get another result. The next step is to calculate f multiplied by x minus the mean to the power of 2. Then we drag the end of the column down. To find the result, we can drag from the total frequency column to the right, so we can delete values that we use. So next we will look for mode, median, and range. Now we will look for the mode. What is mode? The mode is the value that appears most frequently in a data set. A set of data may have one mode, more than one mode, or no mode at all. Then we look for the highest frequency. We get the highest frequency is 8 at the data value 80. That means the mode is 80. Okay, now we will look for the median value. What is median? The median is the middle value in a list ordered from smallest to the highest. So to find the median, we can use the median syntax. Then we block all the data and produce a median of 79. So next we will look for range. What is range? The range is the difference between the highest and lowest value in a set of numbers. To find the range is the highest value minus the smallest value, and then we get 50. So now we will look for the value of quartile. What is quartile? Quartile is a statistical term that describes deviations of observations into 4 defined intervals based on the values of the data and how they compare to the entire set of observations. Quartile is divided into 4. There is quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3, and interquartile range. To find quartile 1, we can use quartile syntax and then block all data semicolon 1 because we are looking for quartile 1. So to find quartile 2 and 3 are also same. Just replace the number after the semicolon with the number of the quartile that we will looking for. To find the value of interquartile is different with quartile 1, 2, and quartile 3. In this interquartile is obtained from quartile 3 minus quartile 1 and gets a value of 17.5. The next step is look for the value of variance and standard deviations. Okay, go to the next step that we will look for the value of variance. We can get the variance in 2 ways. First, we can get it from the total sum of f multiplied by x minus the mean power of 2 divided by the total frequency minus 1. So the second way is to use the var syntax and then block all the data and the result remains the same. And in standard deviation also can be obtained in 2 ways. First is use the stdev syntax and then block all the data. So the second uses the sqrt syntax, then block the variance value and the result will be same. The final step is creating a polygon. We block the column X and frequency, then we go to the insert menu and we press line. That's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.